Okay, next off, we want to install Redis database caching or object caching. So object caching is a form of database caching, so it'll speed up anything that talks to the database. So this will speed up the back end of the site. It'll speed up, if you've got WooCommerce, it'll speed up cart, checkout, adding to cart. It'll even speed stuff up, like if you have stuff in there, adding content to the site. I'm not sure why CloudWays doesn't install Redis by default. They actually include an object cache or the object cache pro plugin here with plans that are 2 GB and above. You probably don't want to use Redis on a smaller plan anyway because it won't have enough memory. But there's a whole article here we'll link to that talks about what Redis does and some information about it. But in a nutshell, all we need to do is we're on the service tab again and then just go to settings and packages. And then I'll just wait for it to catch up to us. So we'll hit this packages tab and click here, install Redis. So that'll install the Redis software on the server. And if you have sites on there already, it should install the Object Cache Pro plugin. And that will be enabled by default, and then it will take care of database caching. Now, there are a handful of scenarios where object caching may be problematic. There are a few plugins that don't like it or may behave funny with it, but that's very rare. We might have that in 1 out of 100 or 200 sites. But just keep in mind, it is a big change because database queries will be talking to the Redis cache. So if you get any weirdness at all like that, it's pretty easy to disable it inside WordPress itself. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of info here. You can dig into it and learn more about the plugin and how it works. There's also some more detailed guides from CloudWays here, so you can see here a bit about how to set it up and how to configure the plugin and things like that. There's also a knowledge base article here. So, but we want it installed at at the very basic level. But yeah, it's not done by default. So that's an important step in optimizing the server and getting us sorted for speed.